Hey, welcome back, guys. So today I have a small Plaid unboxing for you. Plaid sent me some other stuff and I just want to show you what I got. So I'm opening the box. That's a packing sheet, and this is a pack of 36 wood dot. It says dot to dot wood. That's an oval plaque. This is a set of 3 6x6 wood, and this is some satin Mod Podge. And this is a clock piece. I'm gonna be making a clock. And this is a 36-piece stencil set. Let me just open it up here and show you what it looks like. It says stencils by Folkart. These are the different designs on the stencils. So let me just open it and pull one out just to see what it looks like. Here we go. And it's cardboard. I'm not sure if I should be doing this, but that's just to show you that it's cardboard. And then this is an oval wood piece. Now I love working with wood, so when I saw these on their website, I was like, oh yes, I'm getting those. So there you have it, guys. These are some stuff. I didn't know that Plaid had wood pieces, and I was very delighted when I saw that. And it's 3 pieces in here. Let me just open this and show you what they're like. There it is, 3 pieces, and it's 6x6, and it has that little panel on it. So there you have it, guys, a very short video on some items I received from Plaid. I'll be sure to link those in the description box for you so you can find them on Amazon. Also check out some of these videos and stay safe until next time.